Ligansara Davelin atá Billy Seymour Laoch hImeartha Sotranona. Billy, you've been involved in a few good games with Tippett underage down the years, but this must just knock the lights out. What a start. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Oh, madness. We didn't expect to get a start like that. Well, we knew if we worked hard throughout and if everyone bought into what our plan before the game, it would turn out well, and thankfully it did. We got the goals earlier on, and we were able to kick on, and I think we got the win in the end.
19 seconds in was when you got your first goal. It's a dream start. It must be a dream for any forward to get that sort of ball that early to settle in.
Oh, it's a dream come true. You couldn't imagine it. It just happened the way it broke off me, and Connor picked it up and popped it through to me again, and luckily I finished it, thank God. Missed a few the first day against Cork, so right, thankfully, I got two today, thank God.
That was good. I was going to come to that point. You were taken off the last day in the Munster final. Did you feel there was a point to prove? There was a big performance you had to come up with?
Exactly. I knew myself coming into the game that I had to up my game serious amounts. I didn't want to repeat the Munster final. I know we got the win, but personally I didn't want to repeat the Munster final, and thankfully I righted the wrong there today.
Were you able to enjoy it? Oftentimes finals pass teams by, but because you were so far ahead at half-time and indeed coming up into the last section of the game, were you able to sort of enjoy the crowd's atmosphere and the whole fact that you were winning an All-Ireland title, another one for Tipperary, a second in the week?
Exactly. Oh, to be honest, I didn't want the game to end. I wanted the game to stay going. We said if we all worked hard enough, we'd all feel the same. We all would want the game to end, and thankfully that's the way it was today.
And to come away with the man of the match?
An honour to be honest.
The icing on the cake. Mahu is tuiltte hImeartha agus tá Michael R. Murphy har ceann Borgas Energy Rewards Club and Gradam Laoch hImeartha a bronnta Billy Seymour.